Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To start with, the Australian dollar has made no significant moves in the last 24 hours, but instead is happy to be flirting with the 76 handle. Later today at 2:30, the RBA will be making its latest interest rate decision, which is expected to remain unchanged at 1.5%. But the RBA is likely to reiterate that holding the stance of monetary policy unchanged would be consistent with sustainable growth in the economy. If we do come out with more of a dovish statement, then the market will probably take a roller coaster ride towards 75, 25, 35. And do expect to see fresh demand to emerge from that level. Do be on your guard though, that from the current stance of the technical implications, I still cannot rule out a challenge towards the top side of 76.50-70, but it should see a rejection from there and give the trader an opportunity to actually shorten the market. Two dojis in the last two trading sessions for the euro, and still at this stage uncertain of the fall to the downside. However, the break of the uptrend briefly overnight does give some indication that the market is breaking down, and also with the US dollar index holding above the 93 handle could give further courage or inspire the bearish euro trader to take the market lower, with the objective holding towards 116.90. But first of all, we have to take out the support of 118.35. In light of the pattern though, I would like more support from the MACD to give an indication that the market is breaking down. Therefore, we should still keep in mind that we could still see a challenge towards a 119.40.55, which should give us opportunities to shorten the market. Well, $yen did break above the 112.75.85 yesterday, but failed to sustain. However, technicals are still bullish. So we could see another attempt towards the upside, and clearing 112.80 could see a move up towards 113.60. Support seen at 111.90 as minor, and firmer from 111.40, which was the rejection on Friday. Well, the pound again fails to sustain above the 135 handle, and now looks back towards the support, which is way down at 133.80. Overall, I still think the market is slightly on the bear case from the RSI. Therefore, we could see a further move away from 135 and back towards the lower region of the 133 handle. Gold still sustaining above 1270, and while doing so, I do expect to see a recovery up towards 80, or even up towards 88.90. In the event we do get a break of 70, this would give further exposure for a bear trade to 58.60, but this is unlikely at this stage. And to wrap up with oil, well, the market clearly is failing towards the top side, and I am still bearish, and I'm looking for this level of 56.90 to be broken. If so, this will give further scope to the downside and bring in a target of 54.70. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.